In this video, we are going to be looking at how you can control a single light bulb with two different independent light switch. Okay, so here is a simple schematic diagram of how this circuit works. Okay, so we have the light phase, the neutral, the bulb, and the two independent light switch and the wiring diagram all together. So there are different advantages to using two light switches to control a single bulb. First, it gives you the flexibility to control the light from two different locations, and also this can be especially useful in large rooms or area where it is inconvenient to reach a single light switch. And also it allows you to turn the light on and off without having to physically walk to the switch. Now let's get to work.